Hi friends, let me show you my new intelligent pet drinking dispenser. I'm sorry. This is aimed at giving water to your pets, even a cat or a dog. It has the user manual, okay, with all the instructions that you need. And as you can see, this is a nice unit. It will look really pretty in your place. Let me show you. Okay. Perfect. So this is how you put it together, okay? It has two magnets here, so it will be together. It holds up to 3 liters of water, okay? Okay. It has a sensor, so it will work when the pet comes by, comes near. You can use this stainless steel surface. It is optional, okay? And that's it. You put the fresh water here, your pet will drink here, and any water that is left is going to go to this other tank, and you can dispose of it as you wish, okay? It even has this sensor, so when this tank is full, it won't work anymore, so the water won't spill off, okay? So, well, it's great. Let's try it. Friends, I'm going to put together the water dispenser for my pets. Let's show you how we are going to do it. This is the clean water part. It's up to 3 liters, okay? And this is the water hose. And you can use or not this part. This is stainless steel. Let's put this . Perfect. Friends, let me show you the phone app. Here, basically, you can set the time where the water will be changed, 12, 24, 48 hours. And you will have in the middle part, the report of the water level in the tanks. You can change the manual or sensing mode, and everything can be done in your phone.